to GeIL. This is our new DDR5 RGB series, Aquarius RGB Diamond. What you can see here, we have Aquarius Diamond Edition, as long as also RGB Edition, which we cooperate with Asus. So the spec-wise, it's all the way from 4800 all the way to 8000. So a bit different from previous RGB editions. Now we design the heatsink with a more simple but solid design, and yet we enhance the RGB light bar to let the end users enjoy the pure RGB lighting effect. And these are the other RGB models that are already available in the market. Gemini is the one that we released to the market last year. And Evo 5, which you probably already know also, it comes with 2 active cooling fans to help with the heat dissipation. And previous series that are already available in the market, around 5 and Polaris. This year COMPUTEX, it's everything about AI PC. So when it comes to AI PC, for the memory, it requires higher frequency, higher bandwidth, and also bigger capacity. So we have the 4 live demo PC here. What you see, these two comes with 8,000 megahertz with JEDEC standard. It's ready for the next Intel generation, the 16th generation, that will be expected to be released to the market at CES show next year. So the idea is that when it comes to AI PC, you don't really need memory to be overclocking. So it's simple as low voltage, plug and play, just enjoy the high bandwidth.